If you're locked out of your bathroom, these interior doors, or your bedroom with this style of lock where you have this hole right in the center here, use a paper clip. Just take the paper clip and form it into like a W. This is your handle. Take this portion and you're going to loop it up into a small loop. Okay, that is what's going to fit inside your hole there. You're going to want to wrap the end around the other portion here, because you don't want this to protrude out where you're not able to pull the paper clip back out. If I draw a little circle here, you're going to see just a little indentation like this. And that is what the end of your loop's going to fit right into. I felt it in there. Twist. There you go. If you're locked out of a bathroom or bedroom, these interior doors, and you have this style of lock, you notice there's a hole right here. Okay? You're going to use these binder clips. Press them together, and then you're going to pop it off. You're going to bend it into this formation. Just an L. But notice right here, this little hook is going to go inside the hole, inside the handle. See, little indentation. And this is what is going to go right into that slot. I just felt it. There you go.